My name is Cherry May Diaz, a full-time mom. And before I was working in a corporate, I've been in BPO industry for like 6 years, thinking na nakakayaman ang pagko-call center. And then, after that, walang nangyari. So, nag-abroad for 2 years. And then, bumalik din. And that's the time na nakilala ko si WCA Travel. And then, that's the time as well na nag-decide ako to stay. Kasi before, nung umalis ako, I have a 3-year-old son. So, ang hirap as a mom na iiwan mo yung anak mo sa iba. So, I was praying nung babalik ako ng Pinas. I'll just finish this contract and gawa ko ng business. So, very thankful with WCA Travel. Kasi, nung nakita ko siya, sabi ko, ito na yung pinagpe-pray ko. And nagawa ko na ako na yung nag-aalaga sa anak ko. And then, financially, walang problema. Kasi bookings pa lang with WCA Travel, sobrang nakakatulong na siya for everyday. And then ngayon, I have 2 kids na. So imagine from a corporate lady at a full-time mom, ang hirap, pero kinaya dahil kay WCA Travel. And personal growth for this, before kasi medyo supladita ako eh. But with WCA Travel, sobrang friendly na kasi kahit hindi mo kakilala, kailangan batiin mo. Diba? Kahit iba't ibang team yan, dito talaga, we're not just business partners, we're family here with WCA Travel. So very grateful being part of the WCA Travel family. That's all.
I'm Flor Marnelli Lacao-Lacao. I'm from Negros Occidental. Bago ko po nakilala si WCA Travel, isa po akong travel consultant ng Marks & Spencer. Dahil kapos po yung sahod, pinano ko pong mag-apply pa Hong Kong bilang domestic helper. Naka-ready na po yung lahat. Dahil po sa mga hindi inaasahang pangyayari, hindi po ako natuloy. Doon ko po tinabaho ang aking WCA Travel portal. Kahit pandemic po, nagbibigay po sa akin ng income si WCA hanggang sa yung mga kinikita po is nakabayad po ako sa lahat ng utang ko. Nakapagpatayo po ako ng bahay, nakabili po ako ng lupa. And then po, yung pinakamaganda doon sa nangyari nung nandito ako kay WCA Travel, naging danan po ako ng pagpapala doon sa mga friends ko at saka sa ibang relatives ko po na isama ko dito sa business. Hindi lang po ako yung kumikita, pati din po sila. Yung nabago po ni WCA sa akin, hindi lang po financially. Spiritual po na bago po. At saka, grabe po, bumalik yung tiwala ko sa sarili ko. Grabe yung tingin ng mga kaibigan ko dati. Sa akin, failure po yung tingin nila sa akin. Kasi graduate po akong valedictorian. Pero wala akong narating dahil nga po sa mga hindi inaasahan pangyayari. Pero ito po yung nagpabalik ng tiwala sa sarili ko, si WCA Travel. Grabe yung binago niya sa buhay ko. Hindi lang financially, buong buhay ko po. Kaya sobrang pasalamat ko kay CEO at COO po dahil sa kanila may isang WCA Travel.
I am Fredeline Tude. I am a licensed professional mathematics teacher, also a voice coach, and a former English instructor in Okayama, Japan. Paano ba nakatulong si WCA Travel sa akin? It helped me big time, as in, I was able to achieve milestones that I thought wasn't possible. And my most favorite was really the reopening of our tutorial center. Because right now, my husband and I, we are managing our own tutorial center and study place in Quezon City. And during the pandemic, nagsara yun because of the pandemic. But through this business, sa sobrang laking tulong niya and yung income talaga, that's part of the success of our reopening. And also, when I joined WCA Travel, I found myself fulfilling the very same calling I had in teaching. And because of this beautiful community, I was able to continue changing lives for the better. For that, I'm eternally grateful to our WCA Travel management team, most especially CEO and COO. And if I were to describe WCA Travel in one word, I think it's gonna be chance, pagkakataon. Yung mga experiences and the opportunities na tutunan ko dito that it brought me, it was truly life-changing. I always say this to my testimony that this WCA Travel company is a company that goes beyond what it has to offer and more.
Hello, I'm Ash Weiser, Diamond Affiliate and booking queen for 4 consecutive years. Before I joined WCA, I am a beauty product distributor and also ang daming racket. I'm based in Japan for 20 years. WCA is beyond my ambitious imagination na aabot ako sa ganitong status. So, isipin nyo, 45 million booking sales for 5 years. At magkano kinita ko dyan? I think, mas 4.5 million. So, ang dating homemaker, ang dating full-time mom, eto na ngayon siya. Nakakapagbiyahe na ako, business class. So, I walk the talk, of course, kasi kailangan kung ano ang sinasabi ko at pinibenta ko, kailangan nararanasan ko din. So, for me, WCA, masasabi ko talaga, it's limitless. Limitless is because madaming learnings, not just your earnings. Kasi you can deal with your downlines, your business partners, and of course, sa client natin. Sa client, hindi basta-basta ang buhay natin doon. Madugo minsan, lalo na may mga troubleshoot, but then, napupursue at of course, nasusurpass natin dyan dahil sa mga experience natin dito kay WCA na hindi nagkulang. The trainings, yan ang pinaka-importante. The core of the business is the trainings. So to our valued affiliates for tonight, give value on this business. Dahil eto ako, isang simple, but kahit nasa Japan-based po ako, hindi ibig sabihin marangya yung buhay namin. But then, because of WCA, eto na ako, nagbago. Lahat na naset aside ng mga pangarap ko sa buhay, narating ko siya because of WCA Travel. And of course, yung isa pinaka-big why ko, yung family ko. Na-sustain ko lahat sa panahon ng pandemic, na may napag-graduate ako, napabiyahe ko sila, lahat ng mga kamag-anak ko. And even worse, may marami po akong mga natulungan, like typhoon, mga cancer patients na hindi ko sinasabi. But hindi yan, paano ko sila matutulungan before kung hindi dahil kay WCA. Kaya hindi ko na siya binabrag, but then silently, tinutulungan ko sila because I give back the blessings. Mabuhay WCA Travel!
I'm Jerry De La Cruz. I'm a former hotelier, and it was very nostalgic that on this place in Bellevue, Alabang, I was once employed for 13 years ago, and right now I'm very proud. I'm doing WCA Travel for full time. Ano bang meron dito kay WCA Travel when I started? Actually, personality growth number 1. Yan yung unang-una kong nakuha in this business. Secondly, nag-involve talaga ako kay WCA Travel because wow talaga ako sa pangarap during that time. So dito ko nakita sa WCA Travel na everything is possible basta gagawin lang ng seryoso, the same time dedicated ka. So wala pong imposible, and right now dito kay WCA Travel is talagang yung mga pangarap namin, pangarap ng pamilya ko is talagang naibigay at natupad na siya. Maraming salamat.
I am Annabelle Lackey. I am a licensed professional mathematics teacher. I'm also a full-time government employee. Actually, I'm doing the WCA Travel business part-time, pero wholeheartedly. Before meeting WCA Travel, I am just an ordinary employee waiting for my salary every 15th and 30th of the month so that I can pay my bills. Actually, enough lang talaga yon for all my expenses as a breadwinner of the family. And then again, I'm also a wife of a seaman. So, alam naman po natin, no, kapag seaman, talaga namang yung salary po niya kapag nasa barko lang siya. But then again, pag nandito po sa lupa, very limited lang po talaga yung aming pong salary for our personal po na expenses. So, I joined the business last September of 2019. Actually, dati sa bookings lang talaga ako nakafocus. So, from that very moment, I'm doing the business for a month. Then, ang ginawa ko po is talagang nag-post lang ako sa sarili kong Facebook account. Pinaalam ko po dun sa mga tao na nasa paligid ko that I have a travel and tours po na business. And then, when they discovered that I have this kind of business, talagang ni-refer po talaga nila ako sa mga kakilala po nila. And from that very moment, in just 1 month of doing the business, talagang nag-boom po talaga ito. And currently, I am discovering talaga na there are corporations that want to be partner with me in terms of my travel and tours na business. Then, I only have this source of income. Then, may pinapaaral pa akong kapatid. So, through WCA Travel, talagang financially, sobrang nakaka-help po siya sa family ko. Through this business, I was able to send my sister to a private school. So that is an achievement for me as a breadwinner since I came from a broken family and I'm the only one who will have that kind to have the source of income. Through WCA Travel, I was given a chance to become a leader. And in terms of personal identity, through this business, talagang mas lalo po tayong nakilala. Kaya nagpapasalamat po kina CEO Engineer Joven Diaz, kina COO Attorney Merlin Villahermosa for giving me a chance to become part of this life-changing business so that we can help more people to establish their dreams and help their family.
My name is Arvin Sulayaw. I am a civil engineer by profession. I work in Dubai for more than 13 years and currently po nasa Philippines na po ako ngayon. But before ako mag-join sa WCA Travel, I was actually focused on employment. All my life, I was just working as a construction worker. And way back 2019, fortunately, I was introduced to WCA Travel at ang laki po ng naitulong ng business na to. Personally and of course, for my family. Kasi from then, financial-wise, monetary-wise, I was earning in bookings and at the same time, the rewards plan which the company is giving. At malaking impact actually with regards to the personal development. Kasi po, before ako dito sa WCA Travel, hindi talaga ako makapagsalita with more people actually. Napakamahiyain ko pong tao. But because of the trainings of WCA Travel, nag-improve somehow yung aking self-confidence and of course, being a conduit of change and makatulong sa ibang tao and be a channel of blessings and at the same time, be an inspiration to many. Kasi, lagi ko pong sinasabi, life is better when you are happy. But life is best when other people are happy because of you.
I'm Jack Barnes, former employee in a semiconductor company and now a housewife. Sa 13 years po naging empleyado ako. Kahit anong sipag at syaga na gawin ko ay hindi rin po talaga ako umasenso. Kaya naging full-time housewife na lamang po ako para maalagaan ang mga anak ko. Masarap naman po na mahirap maging housewife. Masarap kasi nagkaroon ako ng time freedom. Ngayon talaga ang walang-wala ako at sabik na sabik ako nung empleyado pa ako. Kaya lamang napakahirap ng isang housewife nang walang sariling pera. Na ultimo yung maliit na bagay ay tumatakbo po ako sa asawa ko. Kaya naghanap po ako ng pagkakakitaan. And then nakita ko po itong si WCA Travel. Sobrang na-amaze po ako sa kanya. Sobrang grateful po ako kay WCA Travel kasi hindi lang po yung needs, pati po yung wants namin, wants ko, nakukuha ko po dito kay WCA Travel. Kapag humihingi po yung mga anak ko sa akin, hindi na po ako umaasa sa asawa ko. And may mga senior parents pa po ako na sila po yung natutulungan ko through WCA Travel. And aside from that, hindi lang po ako yung umaasenso, pati po yung mga naniwala po sa akin dito kay WCA Travel. Kaya sobrang napaka-grateful ko po. Now I'm not just a housekeeper with WCA Travel, I am now a life changer.
I'm JM De La Cueva, mechanical engineer by profession. Before I started WCA Travel, I was an employee for almost 12 years. Pinractice natin yung pagiging engineer natin. Kaya lang, doon pa lang naghahanap na talaga ako ng opportunity para, syempre, yumaman, di ba? And then of course, noon pa lang mahilig na talaga ako mag-travel. And then, nung nag-join ako sa WCA Travel, mahihiyain po ako, wala po ako malaking impluwensya, wala ako masyadong kakilala, pero nung nag-start ako kay WCA Travel, na-develop yun. Tapos ngayon po, I have my big team. So all across the globe, meron tayong team. And then of course, ayan, not just personality development, of course, financially nakatulong din ang WCA Travel sa akin. And the most important thing na benefit ko kay WCA Travel is yung time freedom ko. Kasi I have my own family, lahat ng first time ng mga anak ko, present ako, na hindi na ibibigay talaga sa lahat ng mga magulang. But because of WCA Travel, naibigay sa akin yung opportunity na to. Yun ang hinding-hinding mababayaran ng pera through WCA Travel.